Guys, look at the wind and the tree outside the behind the curtains. Oh my god. Look at the how fast and strong the wind is.
While you're doing whatever you're doing. So wherever you are, New Zealand's most trusted news is right there at your fingertips. From breaking news, answers to burning questions, the latest news and in-depth stories.
Oh my god.
One news in your back pocket.
The trees are just dancing and moving here and there, doing aerobics. This is all after the cyclone which hit the Northland region, and these are the after effects we are having in Auckland. So this is the view from my window.
So, using a translation book, Officer Sash tries to educate them about the restricted food they brought with them.
Look at there.
Not for everything, but you have.
I no stand.
But Vietnamese not Vietnamese. As the excuses keep coming, Officer Sash locates a banana leaf in the box.
Usually Vietnamese backgrounds or Vietnamese passengers in the banana leaf there's rice and pork or beef.
Meat from other countries poses a huge biosecurity risk.